Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
New Era Secondary School Katway Mayor Mouse Mai Riboy District. Hagalas new blazong ke kat lain tarik ubanai jeleo arajar arpoar. Kala Pynkup Burom ya Samla sohan tapa. Ubalawan ra Burom ya ke school barok ke way de kabayo rong ya ke Kyrdan ke bakhatsan ha ke top 20 jong ke examine secondary school leaving certificate. Bala penbenar result de kamigalia Board of School Education minta usnem arajar arpoar. Dang hagini ki kendiat sni. Wala gani ka school ka baseng ha usnem arajar lai ha kesnong mouse mai kadang bun bha ki jingduna nadu ka yeng school hadu ki tiar bala pendan kam ha ki kamra kelas handre kala sei ki khna ki baminat banyo khat yu so jong ka jingjob ha ke examine secondary school leaving certificate ki don khat sangut ki khna ki balaya khun ya kani ke examine ki ba pass ki long khat laingut ban na pedeng kini usohan thapa ulayo ka Kyrdan ka bakhatsan but ki distinction ki santali ki subject but nalor kata ulayo shispa marks ka subject science and technology but udairu ba he marks tam ha ka subject Nepali ha baro ka wai ka jilla hagini ka jing Pynkup Burom la sakhilang do MLA jong ka jirang constituency uba sustenance sotun ubalalong kumukongsan kinong hikai ki khna school ban urang ba snong jong ka mouse mai.
Laptop. And I hope all the students who have successfully passed also, those students they'll be selecting because we'll be felicitating all the students who have successfully passed in this You'll be getting a laptop also, huh?
Give a round of applause for Kyrdan.
I'll give to you first.
Yeah. Itu salah a little bit.
Small one. Thank you.
Firstly, I would like to thank our MLA sir who visited the village and encouraged us, thanks to me and help us for giving his valuable time. He has lot of works to do, but even though he came here and visited us and helped us, so that's all I can say. Like teacher also who worked hard, teachers and my parents, and also I would like to thank my tuition sir who helped me a lot to achieve the top 15, to secure the top 15 position in Meghalaya and to score 92%. That's all I can say.